everybody. Thank you for joining us with another
Coffee with Chiro.
Coffee with Chiro. And today our special guest, Alan Zamora.
Hello, guys.
Alan's our therapist here, and a quite magnificent therapist, I may say. We are so proud to have you as part of our team.
I agree.
Do you feel uncomfortable?
No.
Good, because I feel really good right now.
Yes.
Okay, anyways,
Better.
what we're going to talk to you about today is wheat germ agglutinin. So commonly, we'll tell patients there's a phenomenon known as a chemical stress. A chemical stress is when you put something in or on your body that causes a stress response and causes subluxations. And we can get into how that whole thing happens at another point, but it's a chemical stress which causes subluxation, just like physical stress or emotional stress. Well, we know, you've heard us say this millions of times, eating grains is a chemical stress. And frequently we'll have patients come in and say, well, I don't eat white bread. I eat whole wheat bread. That's better. Well, way back in early times, the Romans, the Greeks, the Egyptians, even they knew they would take the bran off and eat it white. And their theory was the whiter the bread, the greater it was. They even used to compete, and the Egyptians won, believe it or not. You think it'd be the Romans, right? But the Egyptians won, and the whiter the bread, the healthier it was, and the peasants would get the browner bread. And we all think whole wheat, brown bread is great. Well, the husk and the fiber carries something what they call WGA. It's called wheat germ agglutinin. And it is a lectin, just like gluten. Everybody knows gluten's bad. Well, there's many lectins. Gluten's one of them. There's many lectins that are bad for you. Wheat germ agglutinin is one of them. And Dr. Ricks will go over some of the things that this does to your body.
All right, first one, it acts like insulin, pumping sugar into fat cells and increasing your body fat and insulin resistance. It blocks sugar from getting into your muscles, thereby also increasing more body fat and starving muscles of nourishment. It interferes with the digestion of proteins, increases inflammation by increasing free radical pathology and thinning and gut lining. It cross-reacts with the other proteins, causing autoimmune responses. WGA especially likes joint cartilage, where it attaches and creates an inflammatory response and stimulates your immune system to attack the joints. It crosses the blood-brain barrier, carrying with other substances it bonded to causing neurological problems, kills cells, not distinguishing between good and or cancer cells, interferes with replication of DNA, causes atherosclerosis, enables entry of influenza and other viruses, and also contributes to the development of nephritis.
This WGA is basically the Raymond Reddington of bad guys, okay? He's as bad as he gets. So crossing the blood-brain barrier means he comes across the blood-brain barrier, which protects your brain from toxins and carries with it other things too to start attacking brain function. It causes inflammation. We now know that virtually every disease is caused by inflammation. So when we eat bread, whether it's white, whether it's whole wheat, when we eat grains, wheat, oat, rye, we have these lectins in there which are attacking our body, and here's just another example of it. How do we do?
Fantastic.
I love it. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.